Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Dragon's Dogma Dark Arisen. Last episode, we came to the temple behind the waterfall. Once we finished that, he's like, can you go back in? Oh my gosh, bro. But yeah, we're gonna go back in. Part 2 of the waterfall.
Sites such as these often house engraved slates and other ancient texts. Some have held revelations of vast importance. If you see any within, pray, bring them to me. Ofttimes, age will splinter the slates. It is critical you retrieve every piece of the whole.
Alright, he want me to get some plates. Yeah, let's go back in. It's good they don't have no like thunder magic in here, cause you always get wet to come in here. And in this game, when you get wet and that thunder strike, it does like triple damage. But it's alright. We're finding our way through. I think we gotta go downstairs, don't we? Did we not open this chest? Or do they reset? Liquid Vim. Ooh, that's actually really... Luna, you just gonna steal my shit? You just really just gonna steal my shit? That's fine. That's fine. I don't even need it. You can keep it, Luna. They really do that shit, bro. These pawns got a mind of their own. Ooh, should we be down here? Yeah, we should. But I don't like how that's looking. And I'm kind of rusty. I ain't played in a minute. Oh shit, skellies. Skelly. Hold on, give me the gleam. I hate that the gleam takes so long. And when is Capcom gonna make another fucking Dogma game, bro? Everybody getting remakes and remasters. Sony out here with Wolverine. Oh shit. Oh, he got my ass right there. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, let me get past. Not too fast. Oh yeah, give me that holy magic. Yeah, that was high-key annoying. Some skeletons be hella strong. Or surcoat. Yeah, you can take that. Pick that up. I don't want it. I don't think this is that strong either. Yeah, come and mine this. Somebody mine it. I wish you could like force them to mine it, but you can't. You just like wait for one of them to like trigger it. Ah, it's fine. They don't want it. Let's go. A button?
This ought to drain the water.
Oh. Wait, why do I not remember this mission? I've already beaten this. How do I not remember? Alright, this just changed a lot upstairs. Let me get these rift crystals. Don't want to leave those on the floor. But yeah. Sony popped up with another Marvel game. Which hopefully is good. I don't want Wolverine to get a bad game. And I know Obsidian is not Obsidian. Fucking Insomniac is not trash at developing. But like, Wolverine and Superman are one of those people that like, it's kind of hard to get their games right. Do I just jump down there? I mean, I will. I don't want to die though. Ooh. Where did I just jump to? Somewhere I fucking shouldn't be. Oh, it's a chest. Okay. It could be enemies everywhere. Alter encumbered. Oh shit! How heavy is that? Yeah, fucking phantasms. Come here. Destroy him. Why is this slate so heavy? Or am I just carrying hella shit? How much does it weigh? 9 pounds. Oh, what the hell am I carrying that's causing this? Too many weapons. Okay. I'm carrying a lot of shit. God damn it. I was planning on going back, but it seems I'm not. So, how much is Luna carrying? Because you about to take all this shit. The circle doesn't weigh that much. This weighs fucking 3 pounds. Here, carry this. That weighs 3 pounds. Another cape. I don't think the cape weighs too much. Get a slate to Julie. I really don't know what the hell is weighing me down so much. What is this? Ghost tactic. Alright. Let's go find those other pieces. I wasn't expecting it to be this hard. Where am I going? Why the hell is there so many chests to find? Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh, I almost died. Okay. Was not expecting that. Back up the stairs. This is a fucking maze, bro. Alright, so there's a ladder over there that I missed before. Oh, well, I just made the jump. Easy. Iron boots, that's not the chest. Was it in the other room then? God damn it. They played me. Oh shit. Fuck me, bro. Alright, make that jump. Easy. Easy. Why is all these slates in here? Why do I gotta carry so many? There's another one on this level. And then the other ones are lower. Gotta jump over there. It's on the other side of that wall.
There, Master. Skeleton Magi.
Kill it. I ain't got time. I'm trying to get this, oh shit, bats. Fuck off me, bro. Got another one. But there's still two more and they're under. Oh shit. Alright, we went down here already once.
Skeleton Mage.
I don't see what y'all see. But let's go down. Yeah, cause they on this. Oh, here he is. Yeah, gonna body that nigga. We don't play like that. Oh, he's a knight. Help! Help! Give me the holy magic. I got holy gleam though. Oh, get the magi. Come here. I ain't letting you go. I ain't letting you go like that. Can mage.
My support. That was hardly a warm-up.
Alright, open this up. Was it another altar slab? I'm too over encumbered. Gosh darn it. Hold on, you gotta wait on the holy magic. I got 2 slates and them bitches are heavy. Get these to Luna. Damn, that shit weighs a lot. And then there's 2 more. I mean 1 more. Another fucking skeleton? And I missed. Fuck. Oh, I'm too rusty. I am really bad right now. Cleansing earrings. Those can stay on the ground. Let's go get this last chest. I wasn't expecting to work this hard. Oh shit, Brody. Okay. Hold on. I need to drop weight real quick. Because I was not expecting a Cyclops. Alright, average weight. That's not too bad. Hold on, let me just hunter's boat this man. Yeah, put him down. Wait, what did all my... Wait, is he dead? Did Kizaria just one-tap this man? I feel sorry for you, Cyclops. I thought you were gonna be a real challenge. I just remember we killed like 4 of y'all in the fucking Shadow Fort. Damn, he just got humiliated, bro. My arrows didn't even reach him. Alright, another slab. I think we got all of them. Now, how the hell did we get out of here? Oh, there's a jump up. Let's go. Finish this quick. What the fuck was that? Did you hear that? Oh, it was a thing. Okay. Oh, oh shit! I almost jumped off. Come here, Saurian. Come on, give me that tail. Yeah, put him down. That's too easy. Where the other one at? Oh, I guess he was the only one. He was the last of his kind. Genocide. Let's get out of here though, because this place is annoying. Over encumbered. Why the hell they make all the place that big? They did not have to do that. Fiends are swift. Who is she talking about? Did they find enemies? We're just running for it, bro. I ain't standing here too much longer. Lost a lot of energy, bro. Oh shit, that run was crazy. Yeah, it happens every time. It's fine.
Sites such as these often house engraved slates and other ancient texts. Some have held revelations of vast importance. If you see any within, pray, bring them to me. Oft times, age will...
Yeah, give them off. Them bitches heavy.
Yes. As the slate is joined together, the text becomes clear.
What'd it say?
I will not rest until its meaning is deciphered, sir. For the sake of Brother Jean.
Oh yeah, you left John to die.
Done. In that you may believe.
And the walk back begins.
You have my thanks, Arisen. I shall break the sad news of Brother Jean's sacrifice to Father Geoffrey myself. It was no fault of yours, sir. You've done your duty by us well, as the Father shall hear. Pray, do not let it weigh upon your heart. Go and tell Sir Maximilian of our success.
Alright, hit that fairy stone, bro. We're going back. I wonder why other people can't use the fairy stone. I don't know that much lore of the Dragon's Dogma.
Take the offensive.
No, my bad. I didn't mean you to call that out. I'm just gonna use the fairy stone. Where is it? It's a grand sword.
It is a port crystal, Master. It is a port crystal. One can reach it from anywhere with the use of a magic item.
She done be thick, boy. Them nut ain't going crazy.
Seems this is where the merchants live. It's quite open. Seems the castle walls are reached by a flight
Day
of
to
stairs.
night, this area feels completely different.
Yeah, because all these rich people gone. Move, bro. I need to talk to Sir Max. Oh, that's the one fat man you can throw in jail.
You have my thanks, sir. Terrible thing what happened to that monk. There was naught for it. The faith, as all humankind, are victims in the madness wrought by the dragon's coming. The fear of the worm should drive a man to die in pursuit of old stones. I forget myself.
Yeah, bro. I understand.
At day's end, the Duke has gained more of the knowledge he so ardently seeks. 'Tis a victory.
Duke was a hoe. Mission complete. And that's gonna end part 2 of the Waterfall episode. So next episode, we're gonna start the next mission. So thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all in the next video.